Hey folks, today's new battery day. Taking the old batteries out, putting the new batteries in. Got two AGM 125 amp hour batteries, so it's a good day. It's February 28th, so it's a perfect day to get this done while the boat's still on the hard. So you'll see how we do this, because these batteries are heavy. They're like, well, they feel like they're like 80 pounds. So as we get going, you'll see how we do this.
Are you having fun?
We're having lots of fun. Fortunately, it's not too cold. In fact, it's probably, what would you say, maybe in the 60s?
Probably.
Feels
Yeah, this was also a perfect day to get this done because we have no power at our house. There was a big problem when the water company hit a power line, knocked power out to our house in December, and we've been basically without the appropriate power since then. So today at our home, everything is being dug up and it's best that we get out of there. Are we done yet?
5 more minutes. Just 5 more minutes.
Is it time to go home now?
5 more minutes.
Can I hold you to that?
Yep.
I think he's lying, guys.
About ready to get the batteries out, hook up the hoist, and get them up there.
How heavy is this?
I'd say about 80 pounds.
My mind doesn't think like this. It helps to be a mechanical engineer.
Those are the batteries that are coming out right there. So everything's switched off. And I got to take the lugs off and then pull all that out. Unfortunately, these have handles on them.
The new ones don't.
The new ones do not have handles on them.
Take a lot of pictures of the back of your neck today is what you're telling me?
Probably.
That's where they are over there, huh? Deep in that corner.
Okay. This. Watch your head. This is swinging right over top of you.
So that's really wedged inside there.
Yeah, I know.
I know you know. I'm telling our friends out there.
Oh, okay.
It's a lot harder than I thought.
Well, it's tight. That's the problem. Oh, the next one should come out easier. There we go.
There it goes. A lot of struggling went on to get that one out.
Ooh.
So those batteries are 30 years old, huh?
Oh, no. No, but they're at least 8, probably more like 10. We've owned the boat for 8 years and they were original. And they didn't look new then.
Well, wait. If we've owned the boat for 8 and they weren't new when we bought it, they're more than 8 years old.
Yeah. I was gonna say, I'm guessing 10. Well, maybe there's a date on it.
And you say if they were the original, I thought you meant the original from when the boat was built.
Oh, yeah, that would be 30 years. No battery would last that long.
That's why I was wondering, how is that possible? I certainly don't know much about anything, but that kind of seemed like a long time.
That would be.
I shouldn't say I don't know much about anything. I know a lot about the arts and literature, psychology and people, processes, about boats and engines and motors. No, not too much.
Oh, it should be greasy down here.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, we're working on the second one here. I just gave Tom the option of just quitting now and having it all done by the people here. But he's adamant, no, that's not going to happen.
You know, this is all going to get edited out.
No, it's not. It's Patty's point of view. A little bit tired out, honey?
Taking a break. So what kind of batteries are these? Sealed gel. So they're gel batteries.
Does it have a date on it?
That's what I'm looking for. I don't see one.
Ready to put the new ones in?
Yep. Gonna try it. You know what? I think I gotta take more stuff apart to get this in.
To get them in, you have to take everything out.
Well, I gotta take more stuff out than what I did to take them out.
You have to pull the motor out to put the batteries in?
No. Almost.
A lot more complicated than you thought.
No, I knew this part was going to be the hard part because I knew they were really tucked in there. Well, I'm half done though. I got the old ones out, and I got the new ones on top of the boat, which is the hardest part. And I only have one scratch. Okay, maybe
Where?
right there.
Oh, that's nothing.
Yeah, I know. That's why usually you get cut up several times working on a boat, but that's only one time. So one more time putting batteries in and two cuts for 2 batteries. That's reasonable.
Not bad.
Yeah, that's not bad.
So when I cut myself with my glass, when I'm doing glass art,
Oh, 1 cut per piece of glass.
yeah, like that would happen.
Well, that's a good day.
1 cut per hour is a good day.
Actually, the other thing I would help is if I take off the alternator, which comes off fairly easily. That'll give me a really nice clean shot to angle it right in.
Okay, so take off the alternator. Okay, so you're getting it down this time because you took the alternator off?
Yeah.
Can't get it down?
These hoses are in the way, so I gotta move them.
See, I told you you're going to have to take the whole engine out.
Okay.
They are in. It took a lot of moving and shoving, but they're in. Now, do you remember what all those wires are for?
No.
So you've got both batteries in, bringing down the old battery. You're making progress. Going up for the second one.